Alright, just another beautiful day. We're about to take a little trip down to, I don't know what I'm doing with my hands here, but we're about to take a little trip down to Sacramento, get outside for the day, and it's a little cold outside though, so we need to put on a jacket. Alright, that's better. A little warmer, let's go. Alright, well, just stopped at Old Soul down here. I'm not 100% sure where it's at, but the coffee is delicious, so I highly recommend checking this place out. And the food looks bomb. Alright, I had to give my brother a ride, but back to our regularly scheduled program, which now takes place at the Sacramento Zoo. Let's go see some animals, everybody. Look at this dude's hairdo. I wish my hair looked half as good as this guy's. It's official. I absolutely love red pandas. Number 3 behind giraffes and otters. I mean, just look at these guys. But that's enough of that. It's time to get out of the zoo and go get myself a drink. That was bomb. That was so good. I love a good latte. I'll never turn it down. But now I am on my way to go to meet up with some random people from some like meetup.com locals, 20 people. We're going to a bar to play some pool. I'm down with it. Let's do it. I love meeting random people. Let's see who shows up. Alright, well, that was an awesome day. We're calling it cuts after a couple games of pool, a couple rounds of whiskey, you know. My belly's nice and warm now. But anyways, I hope y'all have a beautiful night. Don't forget to follow for some snowboard adventures, and yeah, hope to see you guys tag along.